Yeah, this is drawing 4-9. I'm going to go over here with 4-9. Not much to really go over other than this hole. This is a different type of hole that we have not done. Everything else, just, go through always first thing. Usually it's the front view that you're going to draw first, okay? And I'll kind of show you that here in a minute. But, um, you draw the front view because that shows the basic shape. That's what you want to draw first. And then you just got to make sure you get the right dimensions and everything. Okay. So here, for example, this is, I'll just shut these planes off here. So my front view, that's my front view right there. Edit the sketch, right there. There it is. That's all it is. Start off, but that gives you most everything. Okay. So if you look at it, I went through and just started doing extrusions, cutouts, fillets. These are fillets. I would use the fillets, the hole. That's what I want to go over. Then extrusions to do these cutouts, and pretty much that's done. Okay, so look at how many extrusions and holes and fillets that I've got. Not very many. Some of you got to think, how can you be efficient as possible? Okay, so we're going to go over this hole command. Now, when you do this hole command, you're going to have to do the linear because you're going to have to tell it like it shows here, how far in this goes, how far up this goes. All right, but what I want to show you is what type, if you look at this drawing, 4-9 right here, okay, it's got a little bit of a different note here for that. What this is, it's a counter bore, okay? What it does, it lets you, like if you put a bolt in there, it sits below the surface, okay? So the head of the bolt goes through here and the thread part goes through the smaller hole. All right, so that's what a counter bore hole is. And whenever you see this little symbol right here, okay, that like little U, that means counter bore. So this is the counter bore, the bigger one, okay? So it's a diameter 1 and it goes down a depth of 0.18, sorry. It goes down a depth of 0.18, okay? And the smaller hole, which is this one here, is 0.56 and it goes all the way through. So keep that in mind. I'll maybe refer back to it here a little bit. You can, if you want, minimize that. So if you look at that, so you have to choose this, okay? The counter bore. This looks kind of like a counter bore, but actually spot face. So don't use that one. We use this one. This is the one we've normally been doing, but we're going to do this one, okay? So the first one, the diameter is 1. So if we look at that, diameter is 1. All right. Depth of 0.18. All right. So I put 0.1875 because that's really what it is. It's 3/16 of an inch. And I put 0.5625, okay, for the depth of that. Or I'm sorry, for the diameter of the smaller hole. And then all you do is you just choose what surface you're going to put it on. And then you're going to put these two references. One goes up and down, one goes left and right. And, of course, you're going to get those dimensions, from here. Here's showing you from here, down 1.25, and from this edge here, 1.25. Okay, so you get those dimensions in there. And once you get those, then you put that hole in there. And it'll look like that. Okay. So, this again, when you do this one, make sure when you do that cutout, okay, I'll just edit that sketch. Again, these arcs and this line, those have to be tangent with one another. Okay, right there, they have to be tangent. So make sure you do tangent. Okay, use the tangent right there. Okay, constraint, make sure they're constrained to be tangent. Okay, all right. These distances here, these 0.31, that's actually 0.3125. Okay, same thing with this one, 0.3125. This 0.63 is actually 0.625, that one too, and 0.3125 for those. 0.88, that's actually 0.875 if you look at the 7/8 of an inch, because that's what that represents. If you go back and use this right here, where it gives you there the fractional inch. So if you look at 0.88 right here, It's actually 7/8, but it's actually 0.875. The 0.31, find that. It's right there. It's actually 5/16. 0.3125. So that you would put. And a 0.63. If you look at that, it's not on here, but it's actually 0.625. That should be 0.63. So you put 0.625. Okay. So anyway, so you put that in there. It will round up whenever you do the dimensions and stuff. Okay. But so there you go. Get you started on 4-9.